Hello traders, welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. Today I will share you, MA reverse indicator for Forex trading. So let's start the video. But those who come to this channel for the first time, please subscribe to this channel first, so that you can continue to get such updated videos, in future also. Trading rules. When the buy arrow signal on the chart is received at the support level, and the sell arrow signal is received at the resistance level, then only you have to take a buy or sell trade. Do not trade on signals received at support and resistance levels. The stop loss is to be set at the previous high-low point. And you have to close the trade when the next opposite arrow signals are received. Candle time frame is 30 minutes and above. The best trading times are European sessions and New York sessions. Okay, I forgot to mention one thing here. In addition to the next opposite arrow signals, you can also use the next SNR level to close the trade. As you can see on this chart that after taking sell trade on first sell signals, you close the trade on next buy signals, but here buy trade is also perfect for taking trade, but to close trade here sell arrow has not been received yet. So in this situation, closing the trade at the next SNR level is the right option. Here is perfect sell and buy trade setup. Here is perfect buy trade setup. Here is perfect sell trade setup. Here is perfect sell and buy trade setup. Here is perfect sell trade setup. Please watch here indicator backtest video, how indicator works. Free download indicator. Download link given below video description. I hope this indicator brings success for you. If you like this video, then like and share this video. Till then, happy trading. Thanks, bye bye, and see you again on next video.